Can we talk about how good this apple cobbler is? And yes, those are apple skins I left on because it's fiber and fiber cancels out the sugar in the recipe. Let's pretend that's true because this dessert is heaven. A gooey and perfectly cooked apple filling is spiced to your taste and topped with something that is a cross between a cake and a biscuit. It's crispy on top but cakey in the middle. It's so good, especially topped with some ice cream. To start, take 3 apples and chop them up into about 2-inch pieces and put them in a saucepan. Add a 1/4 cup white sugar and a 1/4 cup dark brown sugar. Add 1.5 teaspoons cornstarch mixed with about 1/3 cup of water and any spices you like, and cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes or until slightly thickened, and put it in a pie pan. Now to make the topping, add 3/4 cup sugar and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and about 1/4 teaspoon salt, and whisk that well. Now add 5 tablespoons of melted butter and mix that with a fork until you get a crumbly streusel-like mixture. Then add 3/4 cups of whole milk and mix that. The mixture will be lumpy. Then pour that over the apples and bake at 350. I would put the pie pan on a baking sheet to catch any juices that may overflow. Cool for 20 minutes and then dig in. Enjoy.